Welcome to Design with Miyoshi. We're going to finish up that trailer subassembly, the trailer assembly rather. Almost all of it anyway. We didn't make the doors yet, but we'll get to that sooner or later.
But first, I want to thank Northwest Technical Products for sponsoring this video. If you are part of an educational institution in Washington, Alaska, Oregon, Idaho, or Montana, contact Northwest Technical Products for all your SolidWorks and other technical needs. Thanks, Andrew, and all the crew at Northwest Technical Products.
We'll start with the assembly. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and put the base in here. So where's my base? Semi-trailer. Come on. Oh, I'm sorting out the wrong thing. So we'll do semi-trailer base. So put that in there. Open. And I'll go ahead and again, I will show my origins. I don't know why it doesn't just have that as default, but it doesn't. Hide, show origins. There it is. I'll click somewhere that's not in the drawing area. And again, I'll move my mouse over the origin to put that in there. Now, probably I should have put the origin back in the back, but that's okay. It'll work. All right. Then I'll do insert components. And the component I want first, I'm going to put the trailer bottom subassembly. So that's the subassembly. Put that in there. Stick it there. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the other components I want. And I just want the side. And I want the front. Semi-trailer top. Oh, sure, we'll put the top in there. And we'll do the front as well. Semi-trailer front. All right. Okay, so all we're going to do, and we need to have two sides. So if I click on the side, I can hold the control key and click over here and just drag that in there. And there's another one. There we go. So let's rotate that guy. The other thing we can do, let's do this instead. Instead of doing that, let's get rid of the one I just created. I'm going to delete that. There we go. It'll be fine. All right, so what I'm going to do, let's rotate this guy so it's a bit closer to what I want. There we go. That looks pretty good. And then let's also get this guy ready to go. Okay, so it's pretty ready to go. And, we need one more component. Let's add a half-inch dowel. So semi-dowel, half-inch. There we go. Put that in there, and that looks good. So let's go ahead and put things on the bottom first. And since we brought the dowel in, let's go ahead and do that first. So I'll just do mate. And the mate I want is the top of that hole there. So let's rotate a little bit. Middle mouse, or the wheel is middle mouse. So I'll click that circle there. I'll use the wheel again as a middle mouse, and I'll grab the top of this. There we go. That's coincident. That's good. And then I'll go ahead and hit the check. Now I grab the cylinder here and the cylinder there, and that's already got concentric. I hit OK. And there is that. What's going to be the connection between the trailer and the cab or the tractor. All right. Then we're going to go ahead and stay in mate. We're still in mates. I'll zoom out. And let's grab this bottom or back left. Grab that cylinder. Actually, not the cylinder. Let's not grab the cylinder. Let's grab the top face. There you go. The face. And that circle on top. And that's going to be coincident. That's good. If you grab the circle and the circle, it's not going to make what you want. So, all right. So if I grab the left, so that looks like it's going all over the place, but really what's happening is it's still coincident. It's just way out there. So let's go ahead and grab the next thing. Oops. Let's grab the cylinder here and zoom out wherever that other part is. There we go. It's way over there, but that's okay. And we'll grab the cylinder of that. And we do want them concentric. I have to check. Let's get back where we are. All right, now we can rotate this around, right? Everything's beautiful. So now we don't have to make the top of this guy coincident with that other one because the other one is coincident. Actually, if I didn't need to make this one, we could have just made the faces of these guys coincident. That would have worked as well. Matter of fact, let's kind of do that. Go ahead and get rid of that. Coincident. Delete that coincident. That's the concentric. That's fine. Let's just coincident there. Let's get rid of that one. Delete. I'm not sure what that one. It's got two of them. Go ahead and get rid of the second one. It'll be fine. We'll delete that too. So now we just have this. Oops. We're not anything. Oh, we just have that concentric of that. Okay. So if I should get rid of that, that's okay. Let's make this guy coincident. Concentric. Oops. Yeah. Oops. Wait a second. All right. I just hit escape a couple times. Let's go back to mate. We should have only one mate. Let's make sure that mate is still there. So if I didn't. All right, I messed up. That's okay. I'll grab the circle there and the face there, and they are coincident. Hit OK. There we go. Now we'll grab the cylinder there. Come on, grab the cylinder. There we go. The cylinder there and the cylinder there, and they're concentric. So now you can see I can move this guy around. I click and it can move all over the place, but it stays concentric with that. I'll grab this cylinder and grab that cylinder. Now that's concentric. Hit the OK. And now notice you can click and drag with the left. You can try to turn it, but it doesn't. And now let's grab this face and that face. And they're going to be coincident. I'll hit OK. And there we go. Now the bottom is connected. And I got those guys. So I'll control middle mouse again. And then I'll zoom out a bit. Oops, control middle mouse again. And let's see if we can get a better view. Now let's just come up here. And let's go to isometric view. That'll work. All right. So now what we want to do, control middle mouse again, move this guy over. Let's go ahead and put this on that guy. So I want this one. I want the bottom face, this face, and this face to be coincident, which is great. Now I can only move this guy left and right and all that kind of good stuff. So now what I want is I'll have this face and this face. I want them to be lined up as well. Now notice I still have one little thing I have to do, and I'll go ahead and put this face and that face. I want them coincident as well. There we have that. It's beautiful. I can't move this guy at all. Okay, now to get the other side, let's go ahead and put the other side in there. Nice thing about that, look at our mates. And I will just do where did that go? Linear component pattern. And I'll just do mirror components. So all I have to do, as long as I put this guy on the center, which it is, I'll grab the mirror plane, which is either right or front plane. There we go, the front plane. And the components I want to mirror is going to be this component here. And it doesn't give me a preview, but I know that's what I want. And I'll hit OK. And that puts it right on the other side. Beautiful. Then I'll go ahead and do make again. And I'll turn this guy around a little bit. And I'll grab this face. Oops. There we go. Grab this face there. And I'll grab either side, this face there. There it is. Those guys are now coincident. And then I'll grab this face there and that face there and make them coincident. Hit the check. And last but not least, uh-oh, I grabbed the wrong faces there. This one there. Grab the wrong faces. So let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that one. Let's move this up just steps. There we go. See, I made the front. Did I make the front? Nope, I haven't made the front yet. So I'll make the front coincident. That front and that front. Make them coincident. Oh, I guess I did. Yeah. And the last thing I'll do is this. And that face. We'll make them coincident. Oh, one last thing. I'll make the side edge. The side edge there. Make them coincident. And there we have it. Last thing, of course, is we'll put this guy in. And really, let's just make this outside face and this face coincident. And that moves it so it's like there. And then we'll put that face. Actually, let's do this a different way. No, let's do that face and that face. We'll make them coincident. And last but not least, we'll put this bottom face and that bottom face together. Make them coincident. And there it is. My semi-trailer without the back doors, but that's okay. We'll come up with those later. So there we have it. There is the trailer for my semi. Beautiful. And we'll do trailer assembly. Save that up. And of course, we'll do our exploded view. So first thing to do, let's pull the top off. Let's pull that up. We'll do like let's do 6 inches. That'll be good. And then we'll get done. And I grab the two sides. Actually, let's grab the front instead. Let's grab the front. Actually, let's do this one. Let's try this again. Let's put this above there. Oops. Let's move that above. So instead of that, let's do exploded step 1. Let's grab this guy. And we'll go forward in the X direction. And we'll just go like 4 inches. And done. And we can rename that, I suppose. That would be good. Then we'll drag this down. Let's expose step 1. And then let's grab this side. Let's pull this guy out this way just an inch or so. So let's drag it this direction. Let's go 2 inches. We'll grab this guy. Oops. Don't want the same side. We'll just delete that guy. Well done. And then the other next step, we'll just drag this guy the other way. 2 inches. Just like we did the other side. And done. And then we'll grab the bottom. That guy. Uh-oh. Let's just grab them all then. Don't want sub-assembly parts this time. So let's not have sub-assembly parts. And grab that guy and see if that works. Nope, it still didn't. X. Try to see right click, clear selection. Now let's grab, oh, I know what we can do. Click on here. And we can grab semi-trailer base. Nope. It looks like we can't grab the sub-assembly. Oh, that's trailer bottom. There we go. Oops. Yeah, that should work. We should do that. See if we can grab that and move it down. There we go. Let's do that like 3 inches. Right, done. And then let's go ahead and we should have grabbed this in there too. We'll do that at this time. Let's do that too. And then we'll grab those dowels. This time grab like sub-assembly parts. Do that so it doesn't grab the whole thing. Grab, 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 and grab. We'll grab that one, move that up an inch. Done. And then we'll go ahead and do these parts over here, even though we've done them before. And actually, since we already have that other parts done, let's go ahead and not do this part. Let's get rid of that. Delete that. And there we go. We'll just leave it like that. That's good since we already have the other parts. And there is our exploded view for our assembly. Now, yeah, that looks pretty good. We're going to leave it just like that. Let's save. And then, of course, we will make a drawing from the assembly. Let Nancy A, OK. And all we want is explode isometrics. We'll bring that in. And that looks pretty good, so we'll just leave it just like that. Yeah, we'll just leave it like that. I don't know if I want hidden lines. I don't think I need hidden lines. Yeah, we won't need hidden lines. We'll just do it just like that. All right, and then what we'll do is we will, where'd it go? Annotation. We'll put our tables in there. We'll do our bill of materials. I want numbering, detailed numbering, and then there we go. I'll stick it in there. Right click on this, and we'll just delete that column. Then I'll grab the cross with the arrows. I'll put that there. And then let's see if we need, I don't think we need to make this any bigger. That'll be okay. Auto balloon. And there we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we could put all those sub-assembly parts, but I don't think we really need them. Oopsie. Oh, I hit OK. And really, I could get the 2. Where's the subassembly? Let's put that whole subassembly in there. Let's add a balloon. Put that in there. Oops, that's the part of the subassembly. That's okay. It'd be nice if we could have the 2 as a subassembly, but that's okay. We'll work it just like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. I will go ahead and zoom in over here. And I'll do drawing sheet format 1, edit sheet format, and just like always, name. And then the date, double click when I see the A. There we go. And then I'll come over here, double click, name. And then I'll just change that guy, of course, something that fits. Title. Oops, I better put trailer there first, semi. And then this is assembly, the whole assembly. Here, or click on note, right click on sheet format, edit sheet. And of course I can zoom out. I will save this guy. That looks good, trailer assembly. And then I'll do a save as PDF. There we have it, our trailer and a trailer subassembly, or trailer assembly, all done and beautifully drawn out. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time on Design with Miyoshi.